Alright, so this is the Black Dragon. It's a 2010 Mazda 5, and I need to get it out of these bushes and ready for sale. I replaced the battery last year, but it's been parked right after that, so I imagine it won't start. And it needs a serious cleaning. On the inside there's mold in there, but we're gonna see if we can get this jumped and moving. So if you know anybody, we're wanting $3,000 for it. Let's see what we got here. Totally dead. So yeah, it's gonna need a charge and a jump. So I need to let this run for a little bit, help charge that battery, and make sure nothing's smoking because it's been sitting so long. Could be little critters in there or something like that. Engine sounds good so far. Nothing seems to be smoking or anything like that. I think I'll pull it forward, let it run a little bit more. Then of course clean all this stuff off, take it to get vacuumed, and then clean the interior. So now you can see the interior, what I'm talking about. I mean, you got organic material just sitting in mold. So that all needs to be cleaned. Take some vinegar, baking soda, scrub it down. A lot of work, but gotta do it. Definitely gotta let it air out. But usable space, once I get it cleaned out, we'll be rocking and rolling. The Black Dragon will be officially for sale. So let's get it going. And there's no check engine lights, which is great. 175,000 miles. Got a tire pressure monitor light, that's expected though. So this is looking good. Except for that damn mold.
Doesn't really mean anything.
Hey, sit. Maple. Hush. Maybe you love the water.